So I'll be showing you how to transfer contacts from the SIM card into the phone's memory on your Nokia phone. So the first thing you want to do is go into the menu and then go to contacts. And then under contacts, you have two options. So you have the option to copy, and then you also have the move option. Now, copy does exactly what it says. It's going to copy the contact from the SIM card into the phone and still retain its own record in the SIM card. Move will literally move the contact onto the phone so that the SIM card is left without that contact, or the contacts are going to move. So I'm just going to go ahead and select copy, or let me select move, and then you have the option from phone to SIM or from SIM to phone. I'll select from SIM to phone, and then I can choose to move all, or I can go and select one by one, so I can select specific contacts to move. I'll go ahead and select all, and then it's going to ask if I want to start moving. Press OK, and as you can see, 15 contacts have been moved. So now the contacts that were on my SIM card are now on the device memory, and you can tell they're on the phone because there's a phone icon next to every contact. And that's basically how to move or how to transfer contacts from the SIM card into the phone memory. Thanks for watching, and good luck.